Let's explore the 3rd through 5th grade student experience in Monarch by AOP. Each school day, your student will log into Monarch to access their student dashboard, which provides an overview of course assignments for them to complete. Your student will progress at their own pace, learning through narrative, video, and interactive multimedia, as well as assessments. They can also choose to work ahead using their calendar and assignments views. Parents are encouraged to partner with their child to manage their schedule with agreed-upon deadlines. This helps develop students' time management and critical thinking skills. Attention spans are limited but growing at this developmental stage, so student lessons should be kept to 20 to 30 minute subject blocks. Your student can easily communicate with you through the Notes feature of an assessment. They can also DM you through the Messages feature on their homepage and in the top navigation bar. In addition to regular course assignments, your student can access fun, course-related enrichment activities right from their student dashboard. Only the courses you assign your child from your parent account with AOP will display on your student's dashboard. Is Monarch right for your student? Start your free trial today.